the situation of what I ordered versus what I got. But I don't really understand like this flyaway hairs. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So AliExpress were having a summer sales and they were really slashing prices of things, and I decided to shop a hair from them for the very first time. So I have a friend who actually shops on AliExpress and she has been giving me tips, on how to get like good hair from AliExpress, and I decided to try it for the first time myself. So I went on the app and I saw so many sales, they're slashing and everything during their sales, and I decided to go with Arabella hair. Why? Because I saw a lot of reviews from Nigerians who had actually bought that hair. So I saw a lot of reviews and pictures and all that, and I was like, okay, let me just try them and let me buy the hair. So we will be unboxing the hair together. The hair came 2 weeks after from the time I ordered. It came fast. It came in 2 weeks. So that is one thing I would say, okay, great, amazing, awesome stuff. So we're going to be unboxing the hair together. This is how it came, you guys. I have not opened it and it was doorstep delivery basically. So they brought it to my house. I didn't have to go to the post office to pick it up and all that. So we're going to unbox this hair together. All right, are you ready? You guys, this is my first time. I'm just like, hey, what is the situation of what I ordered versus what I got? All right, let's see. Okay. Okay, it's actually a wig. I ordered a wig and I ordered the 180 density. Honestly, this is the first time I'm ordering a wig. So what else is here? Okay, so it came with a wig cap, obviously. Okay, 2 pieces. Interesting. They did not give me eyelashes. All these unboxing videos, I used to see eyelashes inside it. Okay, so this is it here. Okay, they put, okay, so it's inside this thing to protect it. Ooh, you guys, it is soft. Like, it is soft. Like, oh my god. It is so soft. So I ordered 12 inches. Let me remove this thing. Okay, it is so soft. This is actually Remy hair. It is not like human hair. It's actually Remy hair, and you guys, it is soft. Like, I think that's the thing. It is so soft. Like, can you see? It's really soft. Ooh, okay. Okay, it doesn't have any smell. I usually hear that some of these hairs, when you get them from China, they usually have like smell. It doesn't have any smell at all. It's actually really okay. And I ordered the 4x4 lace. This is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. So this is the lace. You guys, this is neatly done, honestly. Like, see, it's really neat. And I love that the hairband is big. So it has 2 combs here. 4x4 lace. You guys, I'm going to actually bleach this. This is how it looks. Not bad though, really not bad. I can't even test it now because my hair 12 inches. I don't know if it's true to its length, but I'm going to have to check that with like a measuring tape I don't have one here, so I'll probably, or can I use a ruler? Can I use it? If I let me try and see if I can use a ruler and check if it's actually true to its length. I have this ruler, and this ruler is actually 12 inches. See, it's 12 inches, so it's supposed to be long enough to reach. So they say it's the stretched length, so we're going to see. I don't even know, is it from the needle? Okay, let's just use the front because I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's actually true to its length though. Like if I stretch this hair now, yeah, it is. It actually is. All right. Okay, you guys, I got this, I think it was for $32 or $34 thereabout. But so far, so good. I'm impressed. Not bad. Like, this is my first buy, and I am not but I don't really understand like this flyaway hairs that are happening here. But I feel like maybe by the time I use heat on the hair and wax stick, it would lay properly. But I don't know, I'm not liking it though. But what do you guys think? I just want to know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Oh, do you know, I just saw that it has like two. So there's this band here to like still hold your hair. It also has this other one to like hook it securely, so that no matter how you want to shake your head, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. I'm really impressed, actually. I'm really impressed, and I look forward to customizing this wig for the first time. You guys, I look forward to customizing it for the first time. Alright guys, so that is that for this video. In the next one, I'll be customizing the wig and also trying it on and giving you guys my remaining reviews. So after I saw the wig, I was like, oh my god, what did I do to this closure?